Hey y'all, so I'm doing this on the phone because my cameras are all packed up, but I completely forgot to do my intro, so I have to do it now. And I had this whole big old plan on how this intro was gonna go and blah 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 blah. But long story short, me and my honey bunny are in LA. We are on a couples trip for a coworker's birthday. They wanted to come to LA, and we are in LA. So we got up this morning. Well, can't really say we got up because I never went to sleep. But we got up this morning. We went to the airport about 5:30, 6 o'clock this morning. Got on our flight that left at like 7:30. We made it here to LA by like 9 this morning. And then we went to Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. We have had a full day. It's like 5 o'clock right now, and I'm just not making this video. I'm also just waking up from a nap. So, I still have to unpack my cameras and everything, and I want to do a house tour and all this other stuff. But I'm doing this real quick because I wanted to get it out the way while it's quiet. Because everybody else went to the store. My honey's taking a nap. I'm the only one here and up right now. But like I said, everything is still actually packed because I literally just woke up from a nap because I did not sleep at all last night. We've been moving since 5:30 this morning, 5 o'clock this morning really. Like I said, we got off the plane, we went and got our rental cars. It took us a minute there. Then we went and got something to eat at Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles, and then we came to the house, which was like an hour away from downtown LA. So we came to check in and figure out how these next few days is gonna go. So far we got how today is gonna go. Because we are so far from LA and nobody actually knew we were gonna be this far from downtown LA, we decided that today, we've been traveling all day. By the time everybody take a nap, get changed, and get ready to do whatever it is we're gonna do, it's gonna be late, and then we still got an hour trip back to downtown LA. So we just decided today it's gonna be a chill day, pool day. It's a beautiful pool outside. It's hot. It's like 92 degrees outside. So they went to the store to pick up some stuff to throw on the grill and some alcohol, and we gonna party at the house today. And then tomorrow we're gonna get up, and I don't know where we're gonna go. Honestly, we got a lot that we threw out on the table to see if we want to do, like, you know, obviously Hollywood Boulevard, Santa Monica Pier, Venice Beach, stuff like that. So we're gonna see how this go. But like I said, I just wanted to get this done because I was about to go all day and not say nothing. So I couldn't do that. And then also yesterday, see, this was the reason why I was supposed to vlog earlier. I'm sorry y'all, I'm shaky. I don't even know why, but this is the reason because I'm holding the phone instead of with my tripod like normal. But I was supposed to start vlogging earlier because I went and got me a GoPro yesterday. I feel excited because they talking about parasailing and jet skiing, and y'all know my camera cannot get wet, my phone cannot get wet, but that GoPro can get wet. So I'm gonna try to get this whole trip. I know I'm already messing up because I ain't even get the beginning of the trip yet, but I'm gonna try to get this whole trip from start to finish, and there's no excuses because I got me a GoPro now. But let me unpack my cameras and get situated with that stuff, and then I'm gonna try to do a house tour. I don't know if I want to do it on my phone or on my camera. I might do it on my phone right now because everybody's gone, and at least I can get that out the way, and it'll be a nice one before everybody start unpacking and sleeping all over the beds and stuff like that. But I don't know. Anywho, like I said, I just had to get this done, so stay tuned. Okay, so here, guys, I was just explaining the dramatic difference in depth of this pool, how one side of the pool was extremely deep, so I would be staying on the other side of the pool because I can't swim that well. So that's all I was explaining here.